gas knife throwers. You know, spin some knives. I either carry knives that I would normally throw and no spin them. They get cheap from Harbor Freight. Buck knife. Big ass Winchester bowie. And boot knife. See, $6 used boot knife. Some of them don't have much distance, so this one good. I mean, for close range, but probably more than likely stick someone with it. Never actually thrown this bowie. Not too bad. I mean, 8 feet. I mean, if you're charging at somebody, that's just off the bat. I've never thrown these before. See if I can get some more feet. Okay. Maybe some practice, not too bad. This boot knife, this can actually go pretty decent. I haven't thrown it for a while, but I mean, you got 8 to 10 feet off the bat. Let's see. This, if you ever buy one of these, it's like $4, but keys to grab it right there like that. So I can do it from here. Try that again. So just pull it out. There. I buy Buck. And these are $40, $60 knives. This is razor sharp. I'd obviously go shank someone with it first, but never know splitting this either. Perfect. I mean, that's going. It's gonna cut someone. I mean, that's in there pretty deep. I barely put any effort into it. Not too bad. They don't know it's Buck. It's a Buck 105. Razor sharp. I mean, I just cut myself open right now. They're all sharp. I got them sharp with the 800 stone. I'll tell you, I got this at the mall. Not bad. This is another one. You place it where the guard is. Yeah. Implements. It's kind of a reply to Timothy Gerard's. He said he's throwing other stuff, and I said I'd throw, you know, knives that you usually don't throw. I love this knife. This knife is badass. I got this for my birthday. Nice and sharp too. It's actually full tang. And it's got this on the back, so you can just bash somebody in the back of the head. I mean, defense, easy scary. It's legal in Wisconsin to pocket with this. So, any of these. Never thrown this. Pretty. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. You barely need it. Still good. Very nice knives. This is saying pretty much every knife It's no spinnable. Now, would I full spin this? Definitely not this one, the way it's weighted. I don't think I'd full spin any of these. Or even instinctive half. This might go instinctive half. I'll try the instinctive half. Okay, that was an instinctive half. Thanks for covering. Yeah. So you want to stick some on? You got a guy. I mean, you're usually carrying us throwers. I just wanted to show you guys that quick. Tomorrow's my anniversary of throwing for 4 months. I'm gonna try to get some cool shit on. But hope you enjoy it.